देखो भाई वीडियो बना लेते हैं। सी 14 क्या था ये 14.3 question number 8 and 9 we are doing now, and here you can see this 8th question age in group it is given here, right? This is a group age in years 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 17. And what is the difference between them? You can see the difference between them is different. I have written here the difference between them, that is the width of class. Width of class means class size. ठीक है, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 equal to 1, 5 minus 3 equal 2, 7 minus 5 10 minus 7 15 minus 10 and 17 minus 15 equal 2. This is the width of class. Now I was making you understand, if class width is 1, then frequency is 5 now. If class width, again I will take 1, then frequency will be 5 upon 1. Now I will adjust or I will make the ratio with this class minimum class size. आप समझ लो कि एक फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, क्या है? दिस वन इज द width of class upon frequency multiply by minimum class size. ठीक है, minimum class size. A minimum class size is 1 only, na? Right now. So what we will do here? So length of rectangle will be, what will be that length of rectangle? Say 5 upon 1 multiply by 1. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
5 upon 1 multiply by 1. For this one? What? वीडियो तो लिखी है मैंने भी। क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं।
ठीक तो है।
सर आपके उधर राइट फ्रीक्वेंसी लिख दिया, इधर फॉर्मूले में विड्थ ऊपर लिख दी।
अच्छा ऐसे? हाँ ये होगी। हाँ सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है ना। फ्रीक्वेंसी अपॉन विड्थ मल्टीप्लाई बाय मिनिमम क्लास इंटरवल। मिनिमम देख लो इसमें कौन सा 1 है, राइट? ये देखो कितना आएगा, 3 upon 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. फॉर दिस वन व्हाट विल कम? 6 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. थर्ड वन 12 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. नेक्स्ट वन 9 upon 3 multiply by 1, then 10 upon 5 multiply by 1, then 4 upon 2 multiply by 1. Right? Now we can calculate, and what will come here? 5 here, 3 here, 3, 6, 3, 2 and 2. You can see this one is the different than this frequency. Right? This is the different because this is 1 is the minimum class interval, minimum class size. 1 is the minimum class size. This one, whatever is given, you can see in next question. You have one more. Question number 9. In 9 it is given 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 12, and 12 to 20. Right? See the difference between them. 4 minus 1 equal 3. 6 minus 4 equal 8 minus 6 equal 12 minus 8 and 20 minus 12 8. The minimum class interval class size is 2. So here we will multiply by 2. Here we have 1 only, that's why we are multiplying by 1. Otherwise we will take here 2, 3, whatever minimum given, we will use the same. So here can we draw histogram? I want this width of class, first one is class interval and one is length. These two things we need for histogram. So that thing can I erase? I am going to erase this one, middle one, so that I can draw. ध्यान से देखो. Now the new frequency is the length of rectangle. This is new frequency, right? So now I am going to draw here. ये देखो, like this. This one is class interval, so I will write here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. This much enough, no? Or have 14, 16, 18. Enough now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now here what will come? See this one. Greatest number is 6 and smallest number is 2, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 we can write here. 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 also. One more we can take. This one is 7. Okay. So now what we will do? सीधा नहीं है. Now okay. Now class interval you can see. First one is 1 2 2. This is 1 here and this one is 2. So this will, the width of this one will be 1 to 2. This much only. Right now. And height of rectangle is, you can see in front of that 5. Are you getting or not? 5 will be there. So this is the 5 here. So we have to draw such type of rectangle. S. Got it now? Next one is 2 2 3. This is 2 and this is 3. The height of rectangle is 3. So up to 3 only we will take. This one is 2 2 3. ये देखो continue है. This is histogram. So this will be continue. Next one is 3 2 5. This one is 3 already and this one is 5. So height of rectangle is 3. So take here like this. Next one is 5 to 7. 5 to 7. And what is the height? 6. This is 5, this is 6, like this. Here we will take 7, na? Yeah. Like this. Next one is 7 to 10. This is 7 and this is 10. Height is 3. So 7 to 10, height is 3. You can take like this. Here. Next 10 to 15 and height is 2. So 10 and 15. Where is 15? This one here. Height is 2. 2 you can take here like this. Okay? This is 15. Next one, last one is 15 to 17. This is 15 and this is 17 and the height is 2 only. This will be the type. And this is the way to draw a histogram. Next question 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 18. Let's try to do that one also. Okay? Hope you understood. What? 9th one, last one. Nah? So let's try to do that one also. 9th one. In proper way. Ninth one given 1 to 4 number of children. Say the group number of children. What is the children? Na? Letters. Letters. Say group 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 20. Here also you can check that all difference are same or not. See 4 4 6 6 8 8 12 12. Here these are same. So histogram we can draw and this is continue. But the difference between them is not same. So we will have to make height of rectangle in the ratio. Height means length. Right now? So here what is the frequency for the same? 6 30 44 16 then 4. This one? Now let's next thing is width of class. Width of class. What will be the width of class? 3. This one 3. 2. Then 2. 4. And this one 8. Right? Next thing, length of rectangle. Length of rectangle. What will be the length of rectangle for this first one? 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 multiply by 2. Minimum is 2. So multiply by 2 will be equal to 4. Right? Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Then here 30 divide by 2 multiply by 2. What will come? 30. Then 44 divide by 2 multiply by 2. What will come? 44. Then 16 divide by 4 multiply by 2. What will come? 8. And then finally this one 4 upon 8 multiply by 2. What will come? 1. Right? 4 to 8, 8 1 जाए. यहाँ तक खत्म हो क्लियर है सबको. Now finally what is left? Histogram. आ जाएगा इसका. ये देखो. अब हिस्टोग्राम में देखो हमें क्या बनाना है. On x-axis what we will take these. These are say 1 to 4, 4 to 6 up to 20. 4 we can take ना. 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. 5 का ले लो, 2 का ले लो. 2 का लोगे तो भी काफी. 10 टाइम we can take. तो 2 का ही ले लेते इजी रहेगा. है ना. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last this one. This is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Here this is 0. We will take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And here we know this is 8, 44, 30 and 40. Can we take 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40? Or we can take 5 also. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Last one 40 na? 41 more is there. So we have to take one more 50. This is y-axis, right? Got it? Next is class interval 1 to 4. This is 1 and this is 4. 1 to 4. What is the height? 4. 4 where will come? See, this one is divided into 10 parts. And here 10 lines are there, 10 small squares are there. So you may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we need 4 only. So this much will come. From here to 1 to 4 na? Approximately like this. Okay. Next one is 4 to 6. 4 to 6 height is 30. This is 4, this is 6 and height is 30. 30 will come here. Yes. Here. Next is 6 to 8 height is 44. 6 to 8 height is 44. 44 will come across here, right?
No sir.
40 to 30. अच्छा ये 30 का है. 30, 40 and 44. This will come across here. Now okay? Yes. 6 to 8. ये हो गया.
8 to 12.
Now next is 8 to 12. 8 to 12 height is 8 to 12. Height is 8. This is 10. This is less than this 10. So can we take here? Right? Then last one is 12 to 20. 12 to 20 height is 1. This is 12. This is 20. All will come and one height. Height 1. देखो कितनी छोटी सी height है. Done? Hope you understood everything. So here like this you can draw histogram. This was the last type of histogram in our chapter. और नहीं है इसमें. Okay? Enough. So this is enough today. In next one we will do the new thing. Thank you.